So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and get your AirPods to automatically turn off or disable when you're going through and actually falling asleep. Now doing this is actually very basic and it really doesn't take too much time at all. So to get started, number one, you will have to have AirPods that are supported. The only AirPods that are supported with this feature are AirPod Pros 2s, 3s, and AirPods 4s. So keep that in mind. You will also have to be on iOS 26 in order to do this as well. So make sure you're on those particular features. Now what you want to do is you want to open up your settings application just like this, and you want to scroll over until you find your AirPod settings. So for me, you can click here, you can click on your AirPods, make sure they're connected, and click on the eye here to come into your AirPod settings. Now, in your AirPod settings, there should be a little feature somewhere along these settings that will basically say, pause when falling asleep. So it should look something like this. You'll have this little type of feature set, which it should be under microphone, and it should have this little thing which says pause media when falling asleep. All you want to do is you want to make sure that particular feature is enabled, and once it's enabled, you're basically going to be good to go. Your particular AirPods will not turn off, they'll basically stay on, and that's basically all you're going to have to do. Or they'll turn off when you fall asleep. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.